did not.
Do you think that every candidate can make every voter happy? Impossible. If you want a thing out of my mouth saying I've made a mistake, yes, our alliance will be the key. Lock will be ours. Let's see who becomes the key change.
Yes.
If I say Indian Express is a vote cutter for Hindu, will you agree to me? Today you are blaming me मैं चोर हूँ because my chacha said that.
We are at Uchana Kala, the seat which is known for Dushyant Chautala, former Deputy Chief Minister, JJP, face of JJP, and another candidate for one more time from Uchana Kala.
Fifth time candidate for two Lok Sabhas and three.
But the biggest question is, will you be able to retain Uchana Kala?
Why not? You think you're from Dumbarka, I don't see that love and affection. I am in Virender Singh's village and in the large number where people have come in, the support they have shown clearly showed we are going to win this seat, retain this seat with even a bigger margin than last time.
But large number of people, your opponents, media, opinion makers are saying that people are upset with you. The moment did not.
Do you think that every candidate can make every voter happy? Impossible. There will be 2 crore 4 lakh voters in the state, and I think out of 2 crore 4 lakh voters, I know I have done a lot of work. I have got 47,000 lead last time. We have spent 1,200 crores in this constituency, and the support is very high.
But in recent Lok Sabha elections, your mother just could get only
Lok Sabha
4,200
election was
from this.
a fight between two national alliances. And even in the last Lok Sabha, what vote share did we get? Every time you ask me this question, last one. The Lok Sabha before that, what vote share did we get? 4.5% vote. This time we got less than 1% vote. But then after that, we retained and increased our vote share from 4% to 16%. And from 16%, we got 10 MLA. We are fighting hard. And I have it for sure in my mind that we will get more number of seats than last.
Dushyant, do you really think that you made a little mistake, political mistake, by sticking to government and not, declaring support?
If you want a thing out of my mouth saying I've made a mistake, yes, standing with them during Kisan agitation was a mistake. But the true fact is, I was in power. And didn't I do work? I did. I paid my farmers their crop payment within 48 hours. I did work for women where I gave them 50% panchayat member, panchayat sarpanches, panchayat block committee members and Jila Parishad member seat reservation. I gave 33% reservation and ration depots. I gave 8% reservation to BCA category. We have got 75% local employment act passed. If I wasn't in government, would I be able to do that?
If the similar situation arises this time in 2024, will Dushyant Chautala come in support of BJP?
Last time we were the key to the lock. This time we will have the lock with us. Be the key. Let anybody be the key ring.
Who will have the key then? If
Key will be
become
in
the
our
law?
hands. Our alliance will be the key. Lock will be ours. Let's see who becomes the key change.
Okay. Your opponents are also saying, and this is the political discourse, that JJP is becoming the vote cutter for Congress.
If I
And
say Indian Express is a vote cutter for Hindu, will you agree to me?
that's a different matter.
Why? I'm a political party. They're a political party. Why is it? There are two newspapers which are typing in English every day, sending to readers. It is up to the readers to read what they want to read. How can you say I'm a B team to anybody? If you get annoyed when I say you are cutting Hindus newspaper viewers, that is what every party does. Isn't BJP and Congress fighting in front of each other?
How's
We are
ASP
doing the same thing.
How's
We are also
ASP
contesting against them. And last time, if I won against BJP's candidate, that candidate is this time, his son is candidate of Congress. He is the biggest switcher, not me. I stick stable. I'm still with the key symbol. I'm still fighting on Vinayak Janata Party.
Your Chacha ji, Mr. Abhay Singh Chotala, is openly, accusing you, blaming you, and he's accusing you of massive corruption.
Any new statement you got out of Abhay Singh Chotala against me on corruption?
Yes, yesterday he said
What?
Dushyant Singh Chotala to chor hai.
If I say aap chor ho, the burden is on you to prove, or me to prove that you've not taken out 500 rupees from my pocket.
Since we are in election,
Arey, I'm asking you. Today you are blaming me मैं चोर हूँ because my chacha said that.
I am not blaming that.
Arey, you said right now. Yesterday he said. Have you verified the facts? आप आते हो, you write for English newspaper. Have you verified facts before asking me a question?
How can I verify someone's claim?
Then you want a credible press reporter, I can say. If you want your credibility, you should look into facts. I have given every statement on floor of the house for 5 years. Has any scam been put on me? No. Has any investigation been put against me? No. Even Saini said I'll inquire into any complaint. Has any complaint come in against me? No. How can you call me a chore?
How
If
is
you are a reporter, I request you. I'm also a mass communication master. I've done my master's in mass communication. It is for a reporter to verify facts. And for a reporter to ask somebody, you should always verify and
Dushyant, being a politician, you also accuse someone. You also
be accused
raise question.
politically, but as a reporter, I request you. You can't accuse somebody.
I'm not accusing. I'm saying Abhay Singh Chotala said
I
on
don't
record.
take him as a serious politician.
That could be your answer, but you can't
He's a
blame a reporter.
non-serious politician.
Acha, how is ASP, Azad Samaj Party is helping you?
See, every political alliance is not 1+1. It is one standing by one, and that becomes 11. I think jointly we show the power of 11.
All the best for your election, and hopefully you'll win and retain the Uchana Kala. Thank you so much.